Welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoy. We will be looking at what is Python, functions, projects, facts, and summarize. Python is an object-oriented, high-level programming language and is great for data science. This is your first command you will ever do. It is like a tradition, everyone does it, haha. Will not interfere with your program. It is quite useful. In the simplest way, the for loop is the way to repeat commands multiple times. The if function is great for mathematics and keywords. Lists are used to store multiple items in one variable. Check out this mini questionnaire. Link is in the comments. This is a simple turtle graphics example. This is a rock, paper, scissors game. It is very simple. This is an analog clock project. This is a spam bot. It is very good to spam friends on WhatsApp. This is an analog clock project. This is a quick task to see if you remember how to make the spam bot. The answer is auto. If you look at the top where it says as auto, you would put auto before the dot right high. Gildo van Rossum made Python. The chart shows the most popular coding languages. Python was made in 1989 and the creator made Python as a hobby, not a job. Jobs you can get by using Python are data scientist, software engineer, web developer, machine learning engineer. The companies that use Python are Google, NASA, Dropbox, Mozilla, Firefox, IBM, Walt Disney, Netflix, Facebook, YouTube and Raspberry Pi. A variable is created when a variable is assigned to it. A tuple is like a list, but with curved brackets. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. The else block lets you execute code when there is no error. The finally block lets you execute code, regardless of the result of the try and except blocks.